At Agile Equipment, we're proud to supply the IAQ Pro Electrostatic Sprayer, a professional cordless solution for applying disinfectants and odor control products quickly and evenly. Powered by a 24-volt lithium battery, the cordless IAQ Pro Electrostatic Sprayer delivers up to an hour of runtime from a single charge and recharges in just 3.5 hours. Its 1 litre tank, adjustable flow switch, and impressive 4 to 6 metre spray distance allow you to cover larger areas from a single position, saving time with effective application. Electrostatic technology charges each droplet so it clings to the surface more effectively. Combined with extended spray reach, high-touch areas, hard-to-reach corners, and even vertical or undersides receive an even, thorough coating of your chosen solution. It's the perfect way to apply industry-leading botanical products such as Benefect Botanical Decon 30 and IAQ Pro Total Thyme Natural Sanitiser. Both of these ready-to-use solutions are ideal for sanitizing and de-odorizing surfaces quickly, and the electrostatic sprayer helps them work to their full potential by delivering uniform coverage and allowing the required contact time. Bring the power of electrostatic spraying to your projects with the IAQ Pro Electrostatic Sprayer from Agile Equipment, and experience how products like Decon 30 and Total Thyme achieve their best results when applied with true electrostatic coverage and extended spray reach. Buy now from agileequipment.com.au.